Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and today got a big piece of black walnut here. Gonna start slicing this sucker up, see what it comes out like. It's got a big wound on this side. It was missing the bark. And you can tell by the cracking that it's a several-year-old wound. Looks like possibly a little bit of ant infestation in it, so
don't know what we're gonna get, huh?
yeah, might have something in the middle, might all be solid.
Interesting.
Swing this sucker off and see. Oh yeah, it looks like might be some ants up there. Yeah, definitely something inside the bark there. Oh. Pooh. The hose squirt that. Watch out.
Almost looks like it may be just a bark. Holy.
Something going on there.
That bark is really thick on this tree.
Yeah, definitely a big cavity. I'm not sure what happened to the tree.
It's gonna be interesting to see you move these things. How are you gonna move these things?
With that thing.
Oh, you're just gonna slide it off, put it on the.
Just gonna drag them over there, and then we're gonna shove them up on the trailer, and they're gonna go home. They will just
-1.
Yeah, they'll just get drug off here.
Huh. Interesting. And he's being a good boy and actually wearing the expensive helmet I bought him.
Yeah.
Let me see your eyeballs. Actually looks pretty good now.
Yeah. Yeah, they
Looking better.
Yeah, cut up a well, we thought it was a black or English walnut, ended up being an elm log.
That was an elm log?
Yeah, the one that I reacted to was a piece of elm. I've cut elm before and never had a problem with it.
Why did you think it was walnut? English walnut?
He thought it was English walnut when he brought it. And then after looking at it closer, we come to the conclusion that it was elm.
Is that the one over there? No.
No.
What is that
gone.
piece back there?
That over there, that's linden tree.
When did you start cutting that?
I haven't. Oh, this one half cut?
Oh,
That's the tree I haven't.
that's the tree that I'm standing on.
Yeah.
So you haven't even finished it. I thought you were gonna cut the whole thing up. I thought you were cutting the whole thing up.
Alright, ran out of time.
if this is so dangerous to be breathing this stuff, I've got to charge my battery a little bit. So I'm going to come back out in a little while when he's closer to being done. And we will flip some of these and let you guys see what they look like. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, so we are actually going to show you,
Boy, there's a dip in it.
we're going to actually show you some of this because after we show you this, probably the end of this log, because he's got to get it cut up and so, because they're going to pick it up tomorrow. So, but we wanted to show you some of it before we get too far ahead.
That makes some big old waves.
Yeah, I was just going to say, what caused that?
Hitting hard spots in the log.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah. That's not real good. But with it being injured and dying, it's a little drier and hard.
Well, okay. Yeah. Here, I'll spray. You can go show it to him.
It looks like wood.
I don't want my shoes dirty again.
Yeah. Got a bunch of color to it.
Oh, were we supposed to be doing the other side?
No.
Oh.
Oh, man, that made a hell of a dip at the end.
Yes, it did.
Wonder what that was about.
I'm sure. Sure.
There you want this?
Oh, look how gross that is.
Oh, you just dip it.
Oh. Look how gross that is. It is icky. Stay out of my baby's way.
Oh, boy.
These guys are gonna get seasick. The way I'm controlling the phone, it's gonna get seasick.
It's heavy.
Yes, I see that. How big of pieces did you cut?
3-inch thick.
Oh. That one seems to be a little bit more flat. That one got wavy.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of variation. Not like that first one, I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like you got a waterbed.
Probably because I didn't keep the blade wet enough. Probably sap buildup. Because I noticed that it was building sap up, and then I started spraying the blade off. So probably was just getting the sap built up. Did that.
When's your carbon blade supposed to be here? Don't know. While he does that, I'm going to start spraying this one. That's pretty wood though. Lots of green. Interesting. You know, show that to him.
Oh, that's got a weird crotch.
It does. Pretty cool. Getting a little bit muddy down there. You're a mess.
Yeah, that is some wild crotch feather.
Looks like there's gonna be some purple and green and all sorts of color in this log. You know, just color out and just be all dark.
And at least one nail.
You got one now?
Yeah, there's one nail there.
Ah.
Yeah, I don't know if that green will remain. I've never seen the walnut that green before.
Don't know.
I don't know, maybe it's some spalting because of the rock. Maybe it'll actually stay that color.
I doubt it.
Oof.
It.
There's a cut there, I swear. But it don't want to move. Damn. Sticker all falling off my fine quality tool.
Well, at least you can see you used it.
Have to call them up, leave a customer complaint. The stickers fell off.
It didn't want to move.
Yeah, that sucker was glued in place. That's a bit heavy. There's a lot of wood there.
Well, they're going to be doing a lot of sanding on these two. Make those level again. Those look like water beds. Hopefully it stops doing that.
Yeah. I think that was just the sap buildup on it.
Is it not doing that on the other ones?
Well, these next couple were a lot flatter.
Because at that point, if they keep doing it, I'd almost call them and tell them, hey, let's wait to do the rest of this wood until we get the carbide.
He had the call.
Huh?
This was his call.
Oh, to try and do it without carbide?
Yeah, I told him. It gets too hard, it gets wavy.
Well, here's what it is, I guess. All right, let's get that out of the way. That way. Start rinsing. If he wrestles with the board, I'm rinsing. I got the easy job, baby. I got the easy job, baby. Well, it definitely is a lot flatter. That thing is muddy. Is there any more cuts? No?
No, that's all I had cut up.
Well, at least that part right there seems a little bit less wavy.
Yeah. I'll have to put a new blade on it.
Well, pretty sure I'm going to be heading to bed.
I'm going to make a couple more cuts. What?
Well, you want to go ahead and just end this video right here?
I suppose.
Sorry, guys.
Since this will be picked up before you get home from work, so you won't get to see it.
Yeah, so you guys get to see what I get to see because, well, besides, we're going to keep one piece out of this, so we will show it to you later. Since we're going through so many blades, we're definitely going to keep one of these. And in one of our videos, we can show them the piece we keep, right?
Yeah.
So, you guys are going to see just about what I'm going to see. So, you want to show them this last piece? Because they didn't really get to see it close up.
Yeah.
They didn't want to look at it.
Over.
That black in the middle is pretty. What is that?
Oh, that's some bark inclusions in it.
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's pretty hard, but it's got some pieces of bark inclusion.
Pretty neat. I like that.
Definitely more of a purple over there where that wound was at.
That'd be a neat tree, though. I mean,
Yeah.
it's pretty neat wood so far. Besides the whoopie doos.
Yeah. Got good color to it.
You are getting dirty. Good Lord, look at him. What do they call, men in their...
Dirty hands, clean money?
No, men and their toys.
Yeah. Yeah, if it wasn't for her working full-time, me working full-time, you know, you start putting in 12 and 14-hour days, it kind of cuts into running the saw.
Yeah.
Since this ain't the full-time job, just have to cut when I can get a chance. Makes it hard to get it filmed.
But we do like to do this for you guys, and we're going to continue.
Yeah.
Every week, we're going to do what we can. Now, in the summertime, we're probably going to have to cut it down to maybe one log a week, maybe, where we're doing a couple today. How many have we done today?
Well, this is the second today.
I take two. We have 2 videos, and then this one.
We cut the 2 English
Walnut, and then
that was yesterday.
Well,
Today,
I meant
got the tree of heaven.
this week though. This week we've got 3 videos.
4 logs. No, we just did 3 videos.
I just said 3 videos.
Oh.
So this week we get 3 videos that we had taped. So we'll have some content to give you guys, and then hopefully we could start doing at least 1 a week. But it's coming summer and we go rocketing too. So
Yeah. Well,
we're rock hounds.
I have a ASCO camera, and we need to get a full-size tripod, and then we'll attempt to video it with that camera, and then I'll be able to do it by myself. So that might work out too. We'll see how that comes out.
Which will make it a little bit easier because I don't always want to come out here because I hurt so bad. So, but we're still gonna get them out to you guys because we like showing you guys all this pretty wood, and we like doing this for you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be doing what we're doing. So, definitely, we love you guys. And what's he doing?
Getting my helmet, getting ready to cut some more because I got to get this cut up. But if you're in Southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. A&B Wood Products, 208-447-9691.
And guys, like I said, like and subscribe and share.
My eyeballs still itch.
I know you guys already know this, but for those who don't, once we hit 1,000 mark, we're going to give a $500 gift card and some hats, a t-shirt, and probably some wood too. So we're going to see if we can make that happen. So like, share, and most important, comment. Thanks.
Thank you.